Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to teach you something very important, and it has to do with adding to your winning trades. Okay, it has to do with adding to your winning trades. You must be able to add to your winning trades. All right, you must be able to add to your winning trades to make the most out of your trades. And unlike other mentors that will just tell you add to your winning trades and cut your losses short without telling you how to do it, I'm going to be breaking down the steps that you are going to use to add to your winning trade, because I'm going to be very sincere with you. All right, adding to your winning trades is something that takes a lot of skill. Like, there is a tactical way to do it. It's not something you just enter anyhow. I'm telling you, if you enter the trade anyhow, probably you're already in profit. Then you want to add to your winning trade and you think you can just enter anywhere you want because you are in profit. I'm telling you, you are going to lose that extra trade you added. You might still win the overall first trade you took, but that second one you added, and the third one, if possible, you will lose them if you don't understand the technique, okay, and the system behind it. And that is what this video is going to teach you. So you need to watch till the end without skipping, so you don't mess up when it comes to understanding what I'm going to be dropping in this video. All right, so the very first thing that you need to understand when it comes to adding to a winning trade is you need to know where the trade is going. Okay, what is the objective of price? If you don't know exactly where price is going to in terms of your take profit position, please do not add more trades. Just allow the trade you have already added that is in profit, sorry, the trade you have already entered that is in profit, let it just keep going. The only time you can add to a winning trade is when you are very certain of where price is going to. Okay, when you are certain of the next liquidity draw, it could be an old high or an old low, depending on whether you are buying or selling. Okay, so you need to know exactly where price is going to for you to want to add to your winning trade. Why is this important? Knowing where the price is going to, the overall objective of price, is going to give you more confidence, and it will make more sense for you to then enter in the middle. After you have already entered one trade earlier, you now enter another trade because you are certain of where price is going to. You know, there are some trades we take where we are not very certain of where the next draw of liquidity is. Definitely, based on analysis, we know that, okay, price has broken structure and is going in the upwards direction, but there is no clear, when we look to the left, you can't see any clear position price is really trying to reach, though it's showing us that it is probably bullish at the point or bearish at that point, but we can't really see where price is trying to get to. If that is the case, that's not a kind of trade you should be adding positions to. All right, there should be a clear position. When you look to the left, there should be a clear liquidity position that price is trying to go and clear, so you can then enter in the middle. After you have taken one trade earlier, then you can enter in the middle in order to now drive towards that position. Okay, so that's the very first thing. Now the next thing that you must that must be in your list, okay, for you to be able to enter what more trades to a winning trade, is the trade must be trending. Price must be in a trending manner. Okay, it must be giving you trending format. If price is not giving you trending format, please do not trade, do not add more trades. All right, so I'm giving you exactly, because this is something I can do. All right, it's something I've done, you know, many times. So I'm not one of those I'll just tell you add to your winning trade and you go and add to it. Sometimes you add to it, then that one you add, you just start losing. It must give you what's a trending formation. What do I mean by this? If it's a buy trade that you are in, it should be giving you higher highs and higher lows like this. Okay, it should be giving you what higher highs and higher lows like this. All right, and if it's a sell trade that you are in, it should be giving you lower highs and lower lows like this, breaking structure to the downside. This is the kind of formation that you can add to, you can say you want to add to your winning trade. Okay, so I'm going to go over one particular example, then you're going to understand the technique. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Okay, so look at this right here. Let's see, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, let's say I entered my trade somewhere here. Okay, I entered my trade somewhere here in order to move in the upward direction. Okay, because you can see there's a bullish break of structure down there, then price came back and retested this level. Okay, then started pushing in the upwards direction. Let's say this is where I entered my first trade, this level. Now I have an idea of the next draw on liquidity. When I look to the left, okay, when I look to the left, you can see this eye here. This is a eye that I believe, what's it called? Liquidity is going to be resting above it. So if price is trying to move in the opposite direction, this is a possible position price would want to clear. Okay, so I already know my destination. I know the destination where price would want to go to. Realistically, if I'm the one that, if I want to enter this particular trade, this is going to be the position I'll be looking out for, because this support has some kind of consolidation there. You can see this consolidation around this support. So that consolidation is telling me that, you know, a lot of accumulation of positions took place there. So this is actually a strong level that can reverse price. Okay, so that's our support. All right, so this support right here can turn resistance. So this will be the level I'll be looking out for as the position where I believe price is going to. But definitely price could also come up here. Okay, but this is the safe position where I'll be taking my TP1. All right, so I'm just giving you an idea of how I would have traded it personally. Okay, so look at this. After I enter that trade, what do I see happening? Price pushed and gave me a pullback, then pushed again. Now it is after I see this pullback, okay, then a bullish candle that following the pullback, that is when I will enter my trade. Then I'll place my stop loss below the swing low, right here. This is where my SL will be. Why am I placing it below this swing low? This is a buy trade, and in a buy trade, in a buy setup and in a buy formation, what you have is higher highs and higher lows. So I'm entering after I see a bullish confirmation, after an higher low has been formed. So that's the way you stack up your trades. You don't just enter anyhow. You wait for a swing low to form, you wait for a bullish confirmation, which is going to be a bullish candle, then you enter placing your stop loss below the swing low, because if this buy trade is going to continue, all right, if price keeps giving us bullish formation, then higher lows are not to be broken. That's why anytime elementary forex trading knowledge, for you to have a bullish setup, what you have is higher high and higher low. That means price is trending in the opposite direction. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the lows are not to be broken. It doesn't make sense for us to have something like this: higher low, then you have higher high, then the low gets broken. Once the low gets broken, then you are dealing with a market structure shift telling you that it's no longer an uptrend. We are about to kick off a downtrend. So since we are certain we have not reached our final objective, which is price coming to clear this level where I place this horizontal line, I can enter immediately after a swing low is formed, and then I have a bullish confirmation. I enter after the bullish confirmation, place my stop loss below that level in order to ride the wave in the opposite direction. And you can see what happened. Price keep pushing in the opposite direction. I had another pullback here, then I had a bullish candle. All I need is just a bullish candle after the pullback telling me the price wants to continue. Why do I wait for the bullish candle? I need extra confirmation. I don't want to just enter after the bearish pullback, because the bearish pullback could probably lead to a market structure shift if I jump in immediately after the bearish pullback. So I don't want to be caught on such a trade. So I want some form of confirmation. So once I see that bullish candle, I'm entering, placing my stop loss here below the swing low right here, because if this is going to be a bullish trend, if it's going to continue, I do not expect that swing low to get taken. Place my stop loss below that. Now I've added 2 trades to my trade. So the same way, when I see this pullback here and then I see a bullish candle following it, I'm entering right there, place my stop loss. This is the 3rd trade I would have taken. Place my stop loss below that in order to move towards where? Towards this objective. Why do I keep adding at these levels? I'm adding at these levels because I know that price has not reached its original objective, which is to come and clear this level. All right, so you can see price cleared the level and kept moving up, but I would have taken off all my trades, which altogether is going to be 4 trades. I'll be taking them off once I get to this level. In fact, to be very sincere with you, I would have taken some trades, some partials before I get here. because I just enjoy taking some profits by the side while I'm actually, applying my trading knowledge. All right, basically, if you got any value from this video, please subscribe to the channel. It's the only way you encourage me to keep giving you this kind of value, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.